Yeah. How we doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Previously on Kimba TV. So like I'm just throwing everything out there because let's say that I end the stream in 10 minutes, right? And then 2 hours later it comes here, right? And then we're doing this, and then even before I can start my stream tomorrow, okay, if it's already doing this, you know what to look for here. Volume, and then is it gonna be a failed auction type of thing? Schwiggity, ladies and gentlemen. The math is the math. Oh, I'm so glad it's Friday. I am fucking sleep deprived. Holy shit. Black Panther says, me too, man. I really need to sleep, but at least I juice the fuck up. I feel you. La 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 la. How do I capture the blowfin one at the same time if it's on a different tab? Do I have to have a different window? So we could do like, I could turn this one off and then I can show this window. Up like, I don't know, quarter milli easy, testnet, quarter milli easy. Which one you guys want to look at? Cryptodamus, Devil in a Can, Oxydent, Pelosi Bolognese, BitHabby. Thank you, BitHabby. Devil in a Can, Coke Zero says 72255 Shorty. Nice, Coke Zero. If it gets above here though, I have my stop losses starting around like 69.5. Coke Zero. Ideally, this is like a sweep, and then we can start heading back, but even if it sweeps, we gotta watch for Aquaman's Trident. Wow, look at that. Oh, shit. Yeah. Slimy Sprite, what's going on? We got Dat in the house. Dat says, Kimba, the longest juice in the fuck up. If I had been awake, I might have tried to hedge long, but here's the thing. That's a bad low on CME. So that's a bad low on CME. If you start to close candles in this zone, then, you know, it's bullish, right? So hopefully it's a sweep for me since I'm in a short. But bulls, obviously, if you reclaim this zone, then you're Gucci. Yeah. But 75 is still on the books. So EV Pa says, let me say it before the hyenas do. What position are you in? You know the usual test net. You know what I mean? The usual test net. You heard? You heard? Quick little quarter milli. But you guys see what I'm talking about though? I slept through this short entry, right? I don't give a shit. We tried to long here. I got pixel perfect long entry because I was waiting for this. Remember? Got stopped out for like $2,000, basically break even, right? Be patient, wait, saw the edge, took it. Now I'm in a short. So, and now I'm up a quarter milli. Not that hard. But you guys all see it, right? Is that a good low or a bad low on CME? So that's not good. Not good. But the 73 high is also not good too. So, yeah, I can't really predict the future, brother. But if you start getting candle closes in here, bulls, you win. All right. But I'm hoping that it does like a swing fail, loses this, point of control, sweep. But let's see. And then I have my stop loss at here. So if it doesn't sweep the 69 or whatever, then I'll probably close it out. Yeah. Same with the blowfin. Chris in the house, Big Bundas says, possible single print grab and go. That's a good question. And remember, you know what's dope? Ladies and gentlemen, we already talked about this. Look at that. Math. Prepared. Y'all good? Happy Friday, motherfuckers. I hope all this shit is kind of making sense though, ladies and gentlemen. Was I tripping that I missed that short because I was sleeping? Hell no. There's always another trade. Right? We tried to long there a little bit to a bounce to here, but got stopped out. That's okay. Waited patient, took it. Ephilion says LMAO 69690. Yeah, because the only way that it could still be bearish, like I would not take this short. I would not take that short. Because it's probably going to do something like this. So it either stays. Where did my blue line go? Did I delete that blue box? Why the fuck do I keep doing that? Ladies and gentlemen, Estudio says, how did you know that was the level to buy? What do you mean? Buy or sell? How did I know that I wasn't in the stream? I know because we spent 6 hours planning for this yesterday. Studio. So what you need to do is you need to go watch the YouTube highlights from yesterday. I'm sure like it's more towards the night. Look, we already had that marked out. Look, what, boy? All you needed to do was spend 20 minutes and watch the highlights last night, and you could have taken it with me. All you had to do was just watch the highlights of Studio Med. Hello. Look at that, 72150. I even drew it out for you. Quit playing with me, watchmaker. We spent like 4 or 5 hours planning it out, talking about it. Stop loss, TPs, different scenarios, if it could fake out or not. Are we looking at and engaging the data when we get to that level? So nothing wrong with longing. Longers, I'm rooting for you. So Hugh Hunt, there's 2 scenarios. One, you get a swing failure pattern because those are not good highs. Okay, and Sato's stop loss is literally at the top of the box, which is hella funny, or his liquidation. All right, so for the bearish case, you've got a sweep. For a bullish scenario, you've got a sweep of a sweep. Why would you have a sweep of a sweep, gentlemen? Because when we identify bad lows and bad highs, you got to do it on the CME and the Coinbase. Is that a bad low or a good low? Alrighty, so obviously you guys can tell by the zone that if you start to get candle closes in the blue, bulls win. Alright, if you get a sweep and you get back below the blue box, then the bears are still in control. Let me know if you have any questions. Hugh Hunt, what about you? You have any questions? The levels are identified to the downside, right? And then even if we go lower than that, we got this and we got this. Right? So we have levels identified to the downside. We have levels identified to the upside. Alrighty, so do you have a specific question, Hugh Hunt? Hugh Hunt, I still have my MEXC running, and I've got the blowfin running. Mr. Eggsdrex says, are you paper trading, my dude? Do you know how to tell, brother? Go to MEXC and go to the paper trading. Go to the paper trading. Go up there. Go up there and go to go to demo trading and tell me what it looks like. Is the price even the same? Huh? Did you know that I did a $420,000 live depot? I showed the wallet address on stream, so you can actually see that it got done. Okay. Does this look like demo? You should be able to tell. Sometimes, once in a while, there's like an idiot that's like, he's not showing the whole screen. Can you not tell? Schwiggity, schwaggity, schwaggity. At the end of the day, though, if you want it to be testnet, it's testnet if you want it to be. Malks says, what do you think about entering on a short on the single print grab? We talked about it earlier, Malks. I would not. So there is no right or wrong, okay, Malks? And you certainly could, but my concern would be, so like, I already told you, in my opinion, if we get above this blue box, it's bullish. So I would be worried about something like this. So you got to understand structure. Okay. So yeah, that short might work, but then I might long that bitch. Don't be mad at me. All right. So just follow the math. You know what I mean? I mean, you've been here long enough. You know how to read if it's bullish or bearish. You know about single prints. You know about CVD. You know about open interest delta. You know what I mean? $28 minutes. No, 18 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, did I hear that right? Okay, Sato is licked. Here we are. Here we are. Will I get stopped out? Will I get stopped out, ladies and gentlemen? Will I get stopped out? Okay, what's going on? What's going on? Okay. How much time we got left? 8 minutes? Seven minutes? 6 minutes left. I'm like $10 away from getting closed out. Oh, stopped out. $57. 167, not too bad. All right, now I don't have anything that I have to worry about. Let's put the single prints back. Everybody juicy? Let's go! So, ladies and gentlemen, real quick. What do we talk about? We don't get bullish on the what? We get bullish on the what instead, whether it's penetración or penetración. Could be interesting. Don't be mad at me. But even this we already talked about. Pretty cool, right? So yesterday, people were like, yo, did you get that sweep? Nope, I was sleeping. We tried a pixel perfect long that got round tripped, but no money lost, made like 2K, whatever, break even, right? Saw the bounce, identified the level, okay? It should have done this, right? I'm pretty sure that we talked about all that. Right there, right? Except it wasn't on that level, it was on this one. So level to level, right? Look at that structure that I just drew. Alrighty, so on this one, I just didn't know that this was gonna go all the way down to this level, like that. Can't predict the future. See it? But that's basically this. Yeah? Gucci? Make sense? So does that answer your question, Moroso? But I actually wouldn't even mind a tap to the 0.5, But this sweep is, Sunday, Monday, whenever the CME comes back, I will be waiting to see if that's going to happen. So, and then, I'm not going to be afraid of longing that if it's a Gucci Magucha. Same thing here, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, this is what you want. Hidden bear div, right? And then if this loses, back test. How much time we got left? 3 minutes. Woo! Let's go, Cornell. Maybe Band-Aid says, man, I regret not taking the little scalp short there from the 618 during this last hour. Don't worry about it. Try to figure out what you did wrong and let's get nasty. Tons of lions took that short there. Tons of lions took the TPO long. Tons of lions took the Binance only sweep long. Hayes, oh, ladies and gentlemen, 2 claps. Markets are closed. Wow, 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 wow. Happy Friday. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are the best. Do your best, and I'll most likely see you guys tomorrow morning. Schwiggity, schwaggity, schwaggity, schwiggity, ladies and gentlemen. Arrow says, wow, didn't expect this pullback. That's okay, but remember all the stuff that we talked about. Hidden bear div. And is that gonna hold, yay or nay? Oh, you guys can't even see it, hold on. Oh shit. There. Yeah, it's hidden bear div, right? So that in 20 minutes you're gonna find out if it's gonna hold that 0.5, if it's gonna hold golden pocket, and if it's gonna hold that bull div. Alrighty, I think you guys are good. We talked about the dink, dink, dink. Yeah. We talked about the dink, dink. Yeah. I think you guys are good. Do your best. If I get into something, I'll post it in the Discord. Alrighty, just like last night. Longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, bears, we're all lions. Work together. There is no right or wrong. Alright, just do your best. You guys are the best. Have a great weekend. Have a great night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Santo, tell them what happens if they don't use stop loss. He said he's going to smack the shit out of you. You guys are the best. Don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. Have a great night, y'all. Peace, everybody. Love ya.